Multiply polynomials with more than 2 terms. Student learning objectives. Multiply polynomials with more than 2 terms. So multiplying polynomials with more than 2 terms. Example, multiply x minus 2 times 3x squared plus 5x minus 3. To multiply polynomials with more than 2 terms, we use a method similar to the FOIL method. We start with the first binomial or the first polynomial that is on the left side, take the first term and multiply each term in the second multiply that term to each term in the second polynomial. When we are done, we move on to the second term in the first polynomial and multiply each term in the second polynomial by that second term from the first polynomial, and so on until we finish everything. Once we do that, until we finish multiplying each term in the first polynomial with each term in the second polynomial. Once we do that, we combine like terms. So that we have x here. Multiply x with 3x squared, and then multiply x by 5x, and then multiply x by minus 3. Once we're done, we move on to the next term in the first polynomial. In this case is a binomial. And multiply the second term with the first term in the second, and this like this, and then we multiply that. Once we have all those terms multiplied, we look for like terms and combine the like terms. So this here is equal to x times 3x squared. So we're going to do it one at a time. X times 3x squared is 3x cubed. X times 5x squared minus 3x. So we're done with the first one. Then we multiply minus 2 times 3x squared minus 6x squared minus 10x plus 6. Now we multiplied each term in the first binomial to each term in the second polynomial. Now we look for like terms. The like terms are the ones that have the same variable with the same exponent term, okay? So the first one, we don't have any variable term with the third degree, x with the third degree. So 3x cubed does not have a like term, so it remains as 3x cubed. (5x squared minus 6x squared are like terms. So 5 minus 6 is minus 1, minus x squared. Minus 3x minus 10x are like terms. So minus 3 minus 10 is minus 15, and we carry over the variable. Excuse me. So we combine all like terms. The constant term is 6. So no like there, we don't have another constant term to add it to. So this is the product. Another example. We take the first term, multiply to each of the terms here. This gives us 2x to the 4th plus 4x cubed minus 2x squared. We're done with that term. Now we move on to the second term. 3 minus 3x times x squared minus 3x times 2x minus 3x times minus 1. This gives us minus 6x squared minus, no, that doesn't, it gives us minus 3x cubed minus 6x squared plus 3x. And then we multiply 1 by x squared, 1 times 2x, 1 times minus 1. So this here is equal to plus x squared plus 2x minus 1. Combine like terms. 2x to the 4th is by itself, no like terms. It doesn't have like terms. We have 4x cubed minus 3x cubed. It becomes x cubed minus 2x squared minus 6x squared. That's x squared minus 2 plus minus 6 is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 1 is minus 7x squared. 3x and 2x are like terms. Plus 5x. And then minus 1. So we combine all the like terms, and this is our product.